GitHub Copilot versus Cursor AI. When it comes to AI coding assistants, two names stand out right now. Both claim to speed up development, write cleaner code, and understand your context. But how do they really compare in real-world coding? Let us break it down. Okay, and now let us start with setup. So GitHub Copilot integrates directly into popular editors like VS Code, NeoVim, JetBrains, IDEs, and Visual Studio. Setup is quick. You just log in with GitHub, install the extension, and you're ready to go. And Cursor AI, on the other hand, is an AI-powered code editor built from the ground up. It's based on VS Code, but adds native AI features into the editor itself. No plugin setup, no external API keys. It's already wired for AI use. So while Copilot feels like an add-on, Cursor feels more like a full AI-first IDE. Now, model and context understanding. So GitHub Copilot uses OpenAI's Codex 10 GPT-4 Turbo models. Depending on your subscription, it's trained on public GitHub code, so it's excellent at auto-completing functions, predicting code, and generating boilerplate quickly. And Cursor AI also runs on GPT-4 and Claude 3 models, but what sets it apart is how it handles context. Cursor can reference multiple files at once, understand your codebase structure, and even read function dependencies before suggesting code. So if you're working on a large multi-file project, Cursor tends to provide more relevant, project-aware suggestions. Alright, now in terms of the coding experience, with GitHub Copilot you get real-time inline suggestions as you type. It's fast, smooth, and great for writing code quickly. But its weakness shows when you ask it for complex, project-wide refactors. It doesn't always understand your overall logic. And Cursor, however, allows you to chat directly with your code. You can ask things like, where's this function used? Or refactor this component for better performance. It can search your code, open files, and make changes automatically. It's less about auto-completion and more about AI pair programming. Okay, now let us discuss the collaboration and privacy. So Copilot is backed by GitHub and Microsoft, so it's integrated with GitHub repositories, making it easy to use in teams. However, some developers have privacy concerns about sending code snippets to the cloud for processing. And Cursor AI allows more flexibility. You can choose local context models and control which files the AI can read. It's not completely offline yet, but it gives more privacy control than Copilot does. And now let us discuss the pricing. GitHub Copilot's pricing is straightforward. So $10 a month for individuals and $19 or $21 a month for business users. Cursor AI is currently free with limits, but its Pro plan, about $20 a month, unlocks GPT-4 access and longer context windows. Considering features, Cursor gives you more control and functionality, while Copilot is simpler and cheaper if you just need fast completions. Alright, and now let us discuss performance. So developers using Copilot often describe it as a autocomplete on steroids. It's incredibly fast for writing repetitive code and works great for single file logic. And Cursor feels more like having IDE Intelligent Assistant in your IDE. It helps with debugging, documentation, testing, and code navigation, not just writing code. In long-term use, Cursor often improves workflow speed more dramatically for full-stack or large projects, while Copilot stays strong for quick coding sessions or learning new languages. Alright, now we are ready to make a final verdict. Let us do that, guys. So if you prefer speed, simplicity, and GitHub integration, GitHub Copilot is still one of the best AI assistants out there. But if you want deep understanding of your codebase, AI chat built into your editor, and strong refactoring tools, then Cursor AI might be the better pick for your daily development. So both tools are pushing coding into a new era. where AI becomes your true coding partner. So which one fits your workflow best? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more practical AI and developer tool breakdowns.